Yellow sapphire gemstone is considered to be one of the most auspicious and beneficial stones out of all the Navratnas, 9 gems, as prescribed in the Hindu scriptures. Widely known as Pukra stone or Pushraja Pitamani, this stone claims a very special place in the world of astrology. The Pukra stone is believed to hold the powers of the planet Jupiter. Brihaspati is considered the most auspicious planet. It brings us luck and fortune, but sometimes it may give negative results too. One should wear Pukraj Rashiratna if Guru is placed in the malefic house of the native. People of zodiac sign of Sagittarius and Pisces can wear this yellow sapphire stone. Person who suffer from health related issues like joint pain, heart problems, kidney diseases can wear this Pukraj Rashiratna. If any person is facing financial trouble, he or she can wear Pukraj Rashiratna. Yellow sapphire stone is also recommended for unmarried girls or getting trouble to find a suitable match. Yellow sapphire is purified by immersing the gemstone in milk, Gangajal, water and honey. Then Pukraj Ratna must be left it in for half an hour. Finally, take it out and wash with normal water. Now the stone is ready to wear. It is auspicious to energize yellow sapphire stone. Place the Pukraj stone in your hand. If it seems heavy, then it is authentic. Gold is the metal of Jupiter and thus it is best to embed Pukraj Rashiratna in gold. Women can wear it in ring finger of left hand. Pukraj Rashiratna should be worn early in the morning between 5 to 7 am. However, it is best to confirm Muhurat from an experienced astrologer or Pandit. Thursday or Brihaspativar is the dedicated to Jupiter or Guru planet. Therefore, it is best to wear yellow sapphire stone early morning on Thursday. पुष्कराज रत्नाचे अजून काही गुणधर्म. संतान प्राप्त करणाऱ्या स्त्रियांना हे रत्न धारण करावे. पुष्कराजमध्ये विद्युत लहरी असतात. गर्भवती महिलांनी प्रसूतीच्या वेळेस कमरेला बांधल्यास प्रसूती वेदना कमी होतात. आकस्मिक मृत्यूयोग टळतात. भीती टळते. भूतबाधा होत नाही. पतीच्या उन्नतीकरिता पत्नीने पुष्कराज घालणे उत्तम. मुलीच्या लग्नाला विलंब होत असल्यास हे रत्न धारण करावे. मानसिक ताणतणावापासून मुक्ती मिळते. एकाग्रता वाढते. कावीळ हा रोग नष्ट करण्याचे सामर्थ्य पुष्कराज रत्नात असते. Yellow sapphire gemstone is a rare and precious stone. It must be bought from a trusted seller only. These are sold in our Sara Gems and Crystals, Pune, Maharashtra. It is always recommended to get your birth chart or kundali examined thoroughly by an experienced astrologer before wearing Pukraj Rashiratna. It should not be worn without a consultation. Thank you for watching. Visit our Sara Gems and Crystals. Address T3 Rohan Chambers near Curvy Statue, Sujata Mastani Building, Kothur, Pune. Phone numbers 9823236105, 9823272224.